Today we're gonna cover some basics of Python. Basically, I'm not gonna walk through you through complete Python. I'm gonna just give you a general purpose idea of what is Python, where it is used, and the basics of it. Let's start here. First of all, what is Python? So Python is a general purpose, high-level programming language known for its simplicity, readability, and flexibility. So it is widely used in web development, data science and analytics, machine learning and AI, automating and scripting, software development, and APIs. So this is all the theoretical part. Python is a general purpose, high-level programming language known for its simplicity, readability, and flexibility. But our focus is going to be on data science and analytics, machine learning, and AI. So why Python is used basically? So basically, it is very similar to English. Its syntax is very easy, and it has vast open source community. Okay, and it can be used on any device. It has cross-platform compatibility. So, but why it is used in artificial intelligence, machine learning, or data science? The reason it is Python has extensive support of libraries such as pandas, numpys, TensorFlow, which help in numerical computation, data manipulation, or creating or building models or processing data. And that's the reason why Python is it's easy, as well as it has large number of library support which are useful in machine learning and artificial intelligence. So if you are learning data science, this is the must language that you cannot skip. Now I'm not going to walk through every syntax. I have this document from SmartBridge here, which I'm going to share you later. This contains the everything basics you need to run. I have this is the Python basics part one, and there is also a part two uh, and detail one. This is the basics. This document covers the basic syntax, and this go dives into deeper like list. Then there is a list is there, tuples is there, and whatnot. So basically, let's start with the why do we use Python? So basically, Python is very easy. Like you just say a is equal to 5, and you just say print a. So sorry, Python is case sensitive. That means is this small a, this small a, sorry, this small a is not equal to capital A. These are different. The small a and capital A are different things. They are different. Okay. So basically, here we are. Python. We'll start with the first thing, that is variable. Variables in Python. Okay, variable is a container for storing data. So in Python, you don't need to declare type. I'll come this to later. I'll just explain what is a variable here. So you just come here and I'll just say name is equal to Sahil. So okay, so this name is a variable and it stores the value Sahil. Okay, then if I just say his age is equal to 12, and this is the also variable, it stores the age 12, and then I can print is a function used to output the things. So if I just say name, okay, okay, Sahil, okay, so this is the thing, this is the variable which stores the values. Okay, and then sorry, then there is, see, this is the this is the name, this is the value, this is the age, this is integer, this is height, this is a float, this is boolean. So now declaring variable, there are some rules for declaring variables. When you declare a variables, basically your variable must start with a letter or underscore. So if I just say I can name the variable like this is okay. See, this is okay, okay, this is okay, but this is wrong. Okay, this is wrong. Okay, if I just say print one name,